Yeah. So it's a good question. First of all, I think that the main distinction is between paid search and paid social. That's because Reddit ads, LinkedIn ads, and Facebook ads, each channel has its own uniqueness, but they act very similarly. The path to win in those channels is similar. In paid search, it's a completely different story. I'll say, first of all, that I think that paid search is a channel in decline. I think that the main reason is that sophisticated users these days do not use Google as much as they used to, and they actively avoid clicking on ads. Okay, so that's one reason that I see it as a channel in decline, especially for startups. That's because the second reason is that paid search is a game of money. Okay, so usually if you target a very uh, large category, software category, okay, uh, like observability, you have those giants that don't even count how much money they spend on Google Ads. Their entire goal is to have like a 100% impression share, and they're willing to spend whatever it takes because they have billions in the banks. And startups can't compete with that. Okay, you have absolutely no advantage as a startup in that kind of situation.
Just a
So
follow up here, because I think there's I agree with that, but with a caveat where unless you can cut out a subset, right? Like so let's say you have this observability, but let's say there is something where it's like I don't know, monolith observability in Elixir or whatever. Like let's say there's like a very there's a niche that you're tackling, and as a product, I mean, fighting big observability giant, hopefully you have that, sort of focus, because otherwise you're baked anyway. But let's say you have that, and if you can bet for that smaller niche keyword, that's great. The problem is, like, likely there's not going to be enough volume and stuff like that, so it's going to be hard to actually do it. But if you could, if you can do that, then you have a chance. Would you agree with that?